and long-standing problems facing our country. Every day, millions of Filipinos, especially children, the elderly, and the poor, wake up and go to bed with empty stomach. In a nation abundant in natural resources and fully capable of feeding its people, it is both alarming and heartbreaking that extreme hunger continues to exist in many parts of our society. In the face of this reality, the advocacy Bawat Pinggang May Laman was created. It promotes a society free from hunger, one built on compassion, unity, and concrete action. This advocacy aims not only to feed the hungry, but also to empower communities to build their own solution, such as urban gardening, community pantries, and local livelihood programs. We believe that the solution to hunger does not rest on a single sector alone. It requires cooperation from the government, private sector, schools, religious institutions, and every citizen. Through collective action, we can help every Filipino feel remembered and included, ensuring they have a seat at the table of hope. Hunger should never be considered a normal part of our daily lives. It is an issue that demands our attention, our action, and our solidarity. Through the advocacy, A Meal for Every Plate, I urge each and every one of you to become part of the change, to be channel of kindness, compassion, and hope for those in need. While we may not able to end hunger overnight, we can be certain that with every step we take and every voice that speaks out, we draw closer to a society that is nourished with empathy and equality. I am Cherry Andes Lisa, first year BSTM, and a young Filipino who believes that even in the simplest of ways, we can be a light in a world plagued by hunger. May you choose to take part in this advocacy, because in a nation that works together, every plate will surely be filled.